What do you think makes a BMW car handle so well? Is it the engine, the design, or could it be something as simple as the tyres? Surprisingly, the tyres, often overlooked, play a significant role in a car's performance, handling, and safety. In the case of BMW, each model has its unique tyre specifications, tailored for optimum performance. So, if you're wondering why your BMW handles like a dream, you might just need to look down. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of BMW tyres. Every BMW model has a unique set of tyres, carefully chosen to complement the car's design and performance. This is not a mere statement, but the heart of BMW's commitment to providing the best driving experience for its patrons. Let's start with the general characteristics of BMW tyres, such as their width, tread pattern, and material. Each of these aspects is meticulously considered to ensure that the tyres perfectly complement the car's overall functionality. The width of BMW tyres varies depending on the model and its intended usage. Wider tyres provide more contact with the road surface, enhancing grip and stability, especially at high speeds. This characteristic is particularly crucial for sportier models like the BMW M Series, where performance is the name of the game. Then we have the tread pattern. This is not just about the aesthetic appeal of the tyre, but it plays a significant role in how the tyre interacts with different road conditions. BMW uses a variety of tread patterns, each designed to handle specific driving conditions. For instance, the symmetrical tread pattern is for standard everyday driving, while the directional tread pattern is for high-performance models designed to tackle wet conditions. Now, the material of the tyres is another aspect that BMW doesn't compromise on. The company uses high-quality rubber compounds that are robust yet flexible. This allows the tyres to maintain their shape under heavy loads and high speeds, while also providing the flexibility needed to absorb road shocks. But the magic doesn't end there. BMW also includes other tyre technologies, such as run-flat technology, which allows you to continue driving even with a puncture for a limited distance and reduce speed, of course. This technology enhances the safety and convenience of driving a BMW. All these characteristics combined create a tyre that not only looks good, but performs exceptionally well. With BMW, it's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey, the experience, and the thrill of the drive. But what happens when we start comparing different BMW models, you might wonder? Well, that's a story for another time. For now, let's just appreciate the engineering marvel that is the core of BMW tyres. Now, let's take a closer look at the tyres of the BMW 3 Series and the BMW 5 Series. These two models are quite popular, each with its own unique charm and performance capabilities. But have you ever wondered how much the tyres contribute to their overall performance? Well, let's dive in. The BMW 3 Series typically comes with 17-inch alloy wheels as standard, fitted with run-flat tyres. These tyres are designed for durability and resilience, allowing you to continue driving for a short distance, even after a puncture. This is the kind of tyre that gives you peace of mind on the road, knowing you won't be stranded due to a flat tyre. On the other hand, the BMW 5 Series often comes with 18-inch alloy wheels as standard, also fitted with run-flat tyres. The larger size contributes to a more luxurious and comfortable ride, while still maintaining that crucial durability feature. The larger diameter also provides a slightly better grip, ensuring that even in high-speed situations the car remains stable and grounded. So, why the difference in tyre sizes? Well, it's all about the car's performance and intended use. The 3 Series is designed as a sportier, more compact model, where agility and responsiveness are key. The smaller tyre size contributes to this nimbleness, allowing for quick turns and brisk acceleration. The 5 Series, however, is more of a luxury sedan, where comfort and stability take precedence. The larger tyres provide a smoother ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. They also offer enhanced grip, necessary for a heavier car like the 5 Series. But it's not just about size. The specific tyre brand and model can also affect the car's performance. For instance, some tyres offer better wet grip, while others excel in dry conditions. Some are designed for maximum comfort, while others prioritise performance. In the end, the choice of tyre for each BMW model is a careful balance between performance, safety, comfort, and durability. It's a testament to BMW's commitment to provide the best driving experience possible. But how about the luxury models? Do their tyres differ as well? When we move to the higher end of the BMW spectrum, like the 7 Series and the 8 Series, the story changes a bit. Luxury isn't just about the plush leather seats, the shiny chrome accents, or the state-of-the-art sound system. It's also about the tyres that carry these beauties on the road. Yes, you heard it right. The tyres of the 7 Series and the 8 Series are as much a part of the BMW luxury experience as any other feature, if not more. Let's delve a little deeper into the specifics of these tyres. The BMW 7 Series and 8 Series come fitted with high-performance tyres that are meticulously designed for superior grip, exceptional durability, and unparalleled comfort. These tyres are made from a special blend of rubber compounds that not only provide excellent traction on various road surfaces, but also ensure a quiet and smooth ride. In fact, these tyres are so good at reducing road noise that you might forget you're even driving. This is a key aspect of the luxury experience that BMW aims to deliver. The idea is to make you feel like you're gliding on air, not driving on tarmac. The tyres of the 7 Series and the 8 Series are also wider and have a larger diameter than the tyres of lower-end models. This results in better handling and stability, especially at high speeds. The tyres also have a lower aspect ratio, which means they are wider in relation to their height. This increases the contact area with the road, providing better grip and control. But these high-performance tyres are not just about function. They also add to the overall aesthetic appeal of the car. With their sleek design and the iconic BMW logo, they perfectly complement the elegance and sophistication of the 7 Series and the 8 Series. As we've seen, BMW is not just about engine power or sleek design, it's also about the tyres. After all, what's a luxury car without a set of luxury tyres? And when it comes to luxury on wheels, BMW certainly knows how to deliver. So, we've taken a deep dive into the world of BMW tyres. What are the key takeaways? We've journeyed together through the fascinating world of BMW tyres, where we discovered that they are more than just round black objects. They are the product of intricate engineering and design, tailored to enhance the performance and safety of the luxury vehicle they serve. Let's recap the important points we've covered. We began by unraveling the enigma of BMW tyres, understanding that each tyre is specifically designed to handle different driving conditions, from the scorching summer heat to the most frigid winter chills. We then delved into the core of these tyres, exploring their unique specifications, including the tread patterns, sidewall markings, and compounds, all of which contribute to the car's overall performance. We also compared BMW tyres with others in the market, highlighting that while they might look similar, the devil is in the details. BMW has invested heavily in designing tyres that perfectly complement their vehicles, ensuring a driving experience like no other. And finally, we wrapped up with a glimpse into the world of luxury on wheels, where we learned that BMW doesn't compromise on style, even when it comes to their tyres. Remember, the tyres are the only part of your car that touches the road. So next time you're admiring a BMW, don't forget to give those tyres a second look.